Welcome to this guided mindfulness meditation on labeling, a useful mindfulness technique where we note sensations, thoughts and feelings that arise and label them to provide perspective and objectivity. Labeling helps us see how things that arise in our awareness are not us, and we have a choice whether we become involved with them or not. Start by finding a comfortable spot and sitting tall and alert, yet relaxed. Take a deep breath in and release the breath. Take another deep breath in, and as you release the breath this time, allow your eyes to close. And letting the breath now fall into its own natural rhythm without conscious control. Remembering how the body breathes perfectly well without any conscious thoughts. Allow it to fall into a natural rhythm. Bringing your awareness to the body now, and taking a moment to scan down from the head to the toes, building up an idea of how you're feeling in this moment. Being aware without judgment or analysing what you find, just noticing. Focusing on the breath now. Notice where you feel the sensation of the breath most strongly in the body. This may be on the upper lip as air flows across it. It may be in the movement of the chest or the abdomen. Any area is fine. Anchor your attention where you feel it strongest and continue to follow the breath as it naturally flows in and out. Observing the whole of the breath from the beginning of inhalation to the end of expiration. And just noticing where your mind is now. If you've become distracted, notice what has pulled on your attention. If you're distracted by a sensation, whether itching or cold or tingling, label it silently in your mind as sensation. Stay with this sensation for a moment and observe it pass by before returning your focus to the breath where you feel it strongest. If you're distracted by a thought, simply label it as a thought, allowing the mind to release the distraction and separate it from ourselves, allowing us to observe the distraction and return to our breath focus. Continue to follow your breath, being mindful of any distractions that arise and labeling these as they come up before returning to the breath. And now relaxing your focus and resting the mind, letting the mind do whatever it wants to do. Take a moment to notice how you feel now, in this moment. Using the practice of labeling, we can over time build up more awareness about where our mind is and what distracts us. We gain an appreciation that we're not our thoughts and sensations. We can see them more objectively and make choices consciously and deliberately, instead of reacting to them mindlessly. As we do this more, we carry this skill into our everyday lives. And now just bringing the attention back to the room, back to the space around you. Slowly bringing movement into the body. And when you're ready, gently opening your eyes. Thanks for joining us today. I look forward to seeing you next time.